Hello, we all know that the firing of a bullet is one of the applications of projectile motion. And in this example, I am going to be showing you how to solve a problem related to the firing of a bullet. Let's just begin without wasting much time. A bullet is fired from a point making an angle 63 degrees to the horizontal. The initial velocity of the bullet is 34 meters per second. Calculate the greatest height reached. And the second question is the time taken to reach the maximum height. The greatest height is the same thing as the maximum height, okay? So the initial velocity that was used to fire the bullet is 34 meters per second, and that bullet was fired from an angle of 63 degrees. The bullet keeps traveling to the air and then it reaches the maximum height here before returning to the ground level. So we are going to find the greatest height, which is this. And to do that, we are going to apply the equation that is the maximum height equation. So the maximum height equation is given as this. Maximum height is equal to u squared multiplied by sine squared theta divided by 2g. Now, all we need to do now is to plug in the value that we have. So we have the initial velocity, which is 34. So we are going to have maximum height is equal to 34 squared multiplied by sine, which is the angle here, 63, sine 63 degree in squared, then divided by 2. The value of g is 9.8 meters per second squared. So g is giving us 9.8 meters per second squared. So we have plugged in what we have. So let's continue here. So the squared number of 34 is 1156 times sine 63, and then we square it from the calculator. Sine 63 is 0.8910, and when we square it, we are getting 0.7939, then divided by 2 times 9.8, so this is 19.6, and then the maximum height will become 1156 multiplied by this value, so we are having 917.74, and then we should divide by 19.6. When we do that, the maximum height becomes, from the calculator, approximately we are having 47 meters. So this is the maximum height attained by the bullet. So it's 47 meters. And then the second question is the time taken to reach the maximum height. Okay, so the time taken to reach the maximum height is given as this. So u sine theta divided by g. So we plug in the values that we have. So the value of u is 34 multiplied by sine 63 degree, then divided by the value of g, which is given as 9.8. So we are going to be having 34 times the value of sine 63. The value of sine 63 for the calculator is 0.8910, and then divided by the value of g, which is 9.8. So 34 times 0.8910 divided by 9.8. So we are having 3.1 approximately. Therefore, we can say that the time taken to reach this maximum height is 3.1 seconds. So this is how to solve this type of problem. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please do like it and share it with many students. If you are not following this page, endeavor to follow for more updates. Goodbye.